In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can transform a photo in caricature in Photoshop. So let's get started. Hey, what's up guys? Praveen here. This is the final output for this tutorial. I'm gonna use this photo. I found it on pixabay.com, and if you want to use the same photograph, the download link is in the description, so feel free to use it to create this effect. So select our image and make a copy of it by hitting Ctrl plus J on your keyboard. And now from the photo we'll select our subject. For that, use any selection tool. I will use the most updated tool, object selection tool. Okay, I have selected my object or subject. I will use refine edge to make selection more smoother. For that, use overlay. Okay. For refine edge, just do like this around our subject. For more precise selection, we use this. Okay, great. So for smoothness, go to around use this from 40 to 55 and feather to 0 and contrast from 45 to 70. And selection output must be to the selection and hit OK. Okay, let's go. Now we have our selection like this, but in this we have some minor mistakes. So we'll use the direct selection tool to make our selection more proper. You can use your own way of selection. Okay, this looks good. I will do some. Okay, so make a copy of it on a new layer by just setting Ctrl plus J on our layer. Okay, hide these layers, and now adjust our object so that our caricature effect can be seen nicely. Okay, I'll adjust it here. Okay, now make our object or subject a smart object so that we can do non-destructive editing. Okay, it is done. Okay, select it, and now go to filters and liquify. Okay, in liquify, use this blot tool and work on lips and nose and ears. So here the eyes are not visible, so we will work on the glasses. Okay, just work on lips. Okay, looking good. I will use this here. Okay, work on nose too. Seems good. Okay, make the glasses somewhat bigger. You can do as much as you want. Just explore what you can do. And now I will use the pucker tool and I will use it around the corners of the lips. Okay, it is giving a shade of effect, like caricature effect is taking its shape, right? Okay, now I'll use the squeeze forward tool to squeeze it like this from here. Okay, from this neck. Make sure that the neck part is not much broad. It should be like very thin. Okay, work on this. Chin part. Chin is usually longer. Then ear is usually bigger for caricatures, like you have seen in cartoons. You work here. Okay, So you can use the P keyword on your keyboard just to switch between original and the After Effects photo. Okay, that looks good to me. Okay, I will work here. Okay, that seems good. Now, yeah, just work on this chin part. Okay, ear too. Yeah. Now we have our caricature ready. Half of the caricature is ready. Now just make a background layer. So I will use a white color for that. Okay, it seems good. Now I will use a gradient overlay on the layer. So I already have the settings. Now I will show you these settings. If you want to use these, you can use this. Okay, I have used an radial overlay, a radial type of gradient. Okay, the settings you can see. If you want to use this background on your photo, okay, just click OK. And after that, now select our caricature, half caricature, and now go to image, adjustments, shadows and highlights. Now decrease all the shadows and highlights somewhat. You can explore your own the settings which seems good to me. I'm doing these. You can explore how much you want to. Now I'll go to our caricature, go to the filters and stylize an oil paint filter. Okay, this effect will give a full shade of caricature to our object. So use this stylize option between 3 to 7, and apart from these settings you can explore of your own. I will use these settings as you can see. Okay, I'll increase it by this. Okay, stylization I'll increase. And the lightning effect is, I will keep the angle at 0. This 0. Okay. Make a JPG image of the effect by pressing Ctrl plus L plus U plus E on your keyboard. And now, for better effect, use the curves. I will use a bit of highlight to the caricature, just a point between curves. Okay, that looks good. Now it looks good, but it can be better. So I'll click on the final image and go to the camera raw filters. In this I'll go to FX and add some vignette effect to our final picture. Wow, look, it looks so good. So this is our final image. Boom, it looks so cool. If you like the video, please subscribe and do share.